Okay, good evening guys. Good evening guys. I hope you guys are fine. Okay, cool. This is what is going to happen here. I just want to show you guys how to get 7 numbers in UK Fortnite without using different strategies, codes or whatever. I created my own strategy using the best code 18 which killed UK today. Okay, cool. So this is 18. As you can, if you can go back to my previous video and check what I posted in the morning, it was 18:45. 45 was a killer today, and you can see it came twice. Okay, cool. So this is how you get the 7 numbers in UK Fortnite. If you want to drive a G-Wagon, you have to use this strategy, trust me. Okay, cool. So this is 18. So let's count. How many numbers is there? Is 7, and it so it's going to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Simple. Then you use the best code, which is 18. Okay, cool. This is what we're going to do. So we add or subtract. 18 plus 1 is 19, minus 1 is 17. There's 17. Are we clear there? I counted 1 to 7, so now I'm subtracting, it's like we add or subtract 18 from those 7 numbers, which is 1 to 7. Cool. Number 2, we go 18 plus 1 is 20. 20 came there. 18 minus 1 is 16. 16 did not drop. It's okay. We're fine with that. Cool. 18 plus 3, that's 21. 18 minus 3, how much is that? It's 15. 15 did not drop. That's okay. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 dropped there. 18 minus, let me say, 18 minus 4, it's a 14. 14 dropped there. Alright, how many numbers have I given you? It's 1 2 3 4. It's 4. Let's go to 5 and 6 and 7. Cool. So now we say 18 plus 5, that's 23. It came on lunchtime. It's okay, we are fine with that. 18 minus 5, how much is that? 18 minus 5 equals to 13. 13 spin 31. 31 is there. It came on tea time. Cool. And then we say 18 plus, now we're going to the 6th digit. 18 plus 6, how much is that? 24. And then 18 minus 6, it gives us a 12. 12 did not drop, which was 21. Okay, so we are fine with that. 18 minus 45. Sorry, 18 minus 7. I mean, you know, my mind is always with that 45 minus 7. How much is that? It's an 11. An 11 is spin is a 1, which was the bonus ball. So this is how you get your 7 numbers. You use the best code, and then you get like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 on what? On numeric order, not draw order. Then you take your best code number 18, you subtract and add. You want to get your 7 numbers proper, clear, without any problem. So I hope you guys, we are on the same spot. So as for tomorrow, what you're going to do, you're going to use the best code 19, and then this is how you get your best code. Okay, cool. Tomorrow's best code is 19. So this is how you get your best code. Tomorrow's date is what? 23. Sorry, someone is calling. Oh, no, I don't want to be called when I'm doing videos. Okay, cool. So tomorrow's date is 23. The month is 5. Let me do this. Tomorrow's date is 23. The month is 5, and 2025. So this is how you get your best code. 2 plus 5 is 5. 5 there. Plus 2 plus 2 is a what? It's a 4. Plus 5 is a 9. So the best code gives us a what? A 19. So tomorrow's numbers, both lunch and tea time, you have to add. Like it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what you do here, you use the best code 19, you add and subtract. You're gonna get your 7. Actually, you're gonna get maybe 12 numbers out of 2 draws, which is lunch and tea time. This is how you do UK 49. I don't have enough. So if you guys, you really want to know how to predict this game is not just like a randomly generated game, but it's something that you have to predict. If it was randomly generated, everyone could be a millionaire, but then It's not. It is a game that is calculated. Yes, when the numbers dropped in the machine, you'll feel like it's just random, but it's not random. Trust me on that. Okay, cool. So as I mentioned and said, it's the best code, number 19 tomorrow. So use the formula 1 to 7. You won't go wrong. Add or subtract. I'm not posting any video tomorrow. You guys have to do it yourself. I want to see something. Okay, cool. For those of you who want to join the group, I'm just going to leave a link at the bottom of the first comment, and then you guys are going to comment. Please comment so I know exactly where you guys are and what you guys need. Thank you very much.